Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JS Code. So in this video we will learn how to make your webcam undetectable in Linux. So first of all we'll check if our webcam is working properly. So let's click on check my cam, and as you can see my webcam is working fine. Okay, so it is testing my webcam. It says for various webcam information like webcam name, quality rating, etc. So now that it is done, let's stop the webcam and see how the trick works. So in order to disable your camera, we have to just write a command sudo modprobe -r uvcvideo. So press enter, enter your password. Okay, sorry, the webcam was still in use. First of all, make sure your webcam is not in use. So now I have that, close the tab. Now if I do it, as you can see, it has run the command, executed the command without any error. So now let's check if it is working. Just a minute, the internet is little bit slow. Yeah, so it is looking and see, could not find the web camera. And if we try to forcibly start the camera, it says not found error, request device not found. That is, your webcam cannot be detected. So if we now have to enable it again, we remove just the -r and replace it with -i. The command is executed without any error. So let's refresh the page and see now if our camera is detectable now. And see, a web camera was detected. Now let's check camera and see it is working. It is working absolutely fine. So as you can see, it worked. So you can use this trick to fool anyone. If your teacher or someone asks you to enable the webcam, then you can say that ma'am or sir, my web camera is out of order. And this trick is very useful in some cases. So if you want more videos, then like, share and subscribe. On to the next one.